Hello, good morning, students. Today I am going to tell you about concentration of solution. We have already know about solution. It is a homogeneous mixture. Concentration of solution means the amount of solute present in a given quantity of solution is called concentration. Here we take two beakers to explain the term concentration with beaker A and beaker B. In both beaker we take sugar water solution in different amounts. Amount of solution is equal, but amount of sugar dissolved in A and B beakers are different. Here pictorially we can express it. In beaker A, the number of amount of sugar particle is less. Here big points are sugar molecules, then the sugar molecules present in beaker B here. So we can say that the concentration of of beaker A is less than beaker B. It means beaker A has less concentrated sugar solution than beaker beaker B. So concentration of a solution may be explained by observing these two beakers taken here. So now we explain the term concentration as the amount of solute in a solution is called concentration of the solution. Concentration is very important term in chemistry. There is a number of ways to express concentration of a solution. In terms of percentage, we can express the concentration of a solution. Molality, morality, normality are the other ways to express concentration, but the most common way to express the concentration of a solution is the percentage method. The percentage method refers to the percentage of solute present in a solution by mass or by volume. In both way we can express it. The concentration of a solution is defined as the mass of solute in grams present in 100 grams of solution. Solution is equal to the mass of solute by the mass of solution into 100. Mass of solution equal to mass of solution equal to mass of solute plus mass of solvent. Here a example: if a sugar solution contains 50 gram of sugar in 400 grams of water, then we calculate the concentration of solution as mass of sugar equal to 50 gram, mass of solution equal to 50 plus 400, 450 grams. Concentration of the solution equal to mass of solute by mass of solution into 100. Putting the values and on solving we get 100 by 9%. It means the concentration of this solution is 100 by 9 or 11 whole 1 by 9%, or in decimal 11.11%. When the solute is liquid and is dissolved in a liquid solvent, then concentration of the solution is defined as the volume of the solute in milliliter present in the volume of 100 milliliters of the solution. Concentration of solution equal to volume of solute by volume of solution into 100. For example, we take 40 ml of solute dissolved in 360 ml of a solvent. Volume of solute equal to 40 ml, volume of solvent 360 ml, volume of solution equal to 400 plus 360 equal to 400, and then concentration of the solution equal to volume of solute by volume of solution into 100. Putting all these values 40 by 400 into 100, we have 10%. It means this concentration of this solution is 10%. So I think, my dear students, now you all are able to explain the term concentration, and you may easily calculate the concentration of a solution by using these formula. Thanks.